Right, Dreddy says we are seeing it. We're going again. Right, Dreddy says seeing it is nearly. Let's go again. Right, Dreddy says seeing as it is nearly sort of more clement weather, better for paddleboarding, swimming. We're going to compare the grumbly dog. We're going to compare a cheap Amazon changing robe versus a premium changing robe by Overboard. I've used both of these now for over a year, and we're just going to compare the two. So let's start off. Link to my clothing playlist so you can see the old reviews of these. The links don't work. The companies keep disappearing on Amazon. It's probably a cheap import. They're about 40 quid at last check. So basically what you're getting is like a microfiber cloth. So it's toweling, it's absorbent, and you know it's relatively warming. So it's extremely thin. But I can confirm it is actually windproof and waterproof. And it's not too bad at all. So let's give it a go. Check I'm wearing clothes under here. And these usually have short sleeves as well. So this was a medium or a large, I forget. Basically go one size up to what you normally would, so you can get changed underneath them. The zips are okay. They're very small. And it's lasted a year. So I got one for myself and the wife, and it does the job. Yeah, you're missing the arms here, but if it's really cold, ugh. And that's about it really. You get a hood. It's not quite dread compliant, so don't expect anything great, but that's it pretty much. You're getting 40 quid's worth. You're very grumbly today, boy, because you're a good boy. Yeah, you get what you pay for, inside pockets, all that kind of jazz. Check out my other review of this for a full review. So that's the Amazon. And this from Overboard, I believe with my discount code, Dreddy says at checkout, you get a discount and they come out around 120 quid, which is cheaper than Dryrobe and some of the others I've seen out there. And check out my review. I mean, I'll spoil it. This thing is awesome. Proper fleece lining. It is absorbent. It is completely windproof. And it is considerably bigger and warmer. You're getting IP rated pockets. This is just splash proof. It's not watertight, obviously. IP67 or is it 5? You can't go underwater with it, but why would you want to? It's got long sleeves. It can tighten up around there. The hood, even with dreads, considerably better. The zips are premium. You get a double zip. And everything just works. It's got that extra sort of barrier in there, so you have to make sure that's out of the way when you zip it up. But I'm not getting cold, am I? If that can be heard. Now, I've been wild swimming in this. Come out, got in it, and I was too hot. So yeah, there's up to almost £100 difference between the two. That one will do for summer. I mean, I tend to use it if I am on the beach or I'm on my own, and you know, I'll leave that on the beach. I wouldn't leave this lying around on the beach. It would be gone. And who'd blame the scumbag? They are very, very well made. I'd blame the scumbags. Scumbags are scumbags. Anyway, that's it. We've compared the two. I could probably wear them the other way round. I don't know if this will fit over the bulk of the Overboard one. Yeah, get one size up just in case. Right, I'm now extremely warm, but any questions, pop them down below. It's pretty straightforward. You are getting what you pay for. And head over to Overboard, a little plug there. Dreddy says in the checkout, if it's not on discount, if it's not discounted currently, you do get, I believe it's 10% off, which brings them right down. Might even be more, I'm not sure. Check it out, let me know in the comments. All right, guys, you take care. I'll catch you for the next one.